Okay, so you're going to be using all of these different solutions to answer this last page on your worksheet. So these first few, when it says what is the molarity of the solution, I'll kind of show you each of these solutions. So this is number 1. It has the molarity down below. All right, there's number 2, there's number 3, and there's number 4. So you'll notice we see a molarity change and we see a color change as we go down the line. All right, so get those down for the first few. We're going to use this equation later on down here in your worksheet, so not right now for these ones. We're going to use it later on. But for this next one, we were going to pipette 2 milliliters of this one and 2 milliliters of this one together into a new mixture. And so here's our solution when we did that. And I want you to approximate what molarity it has. And so we can do this pretty easy by looking at the color and kind of deciding about what molarity it has. So I'll kind of hold it next to each one of these so you can see the colors and see maybe what it's similar to or maybe what it's in between. And you can pick a number that might make sense. All right, so go back, pause the video if you need to find a number that might make sense for that one. All right, the next part of your lab is this next part that's asking you now to do it with 2 milliliters of number 2 and 2 of number 3. So we're doing these ones by putting them together, and this is the solution that you get over here. Okay, so again, I'll kind of hold these up next to these so that hopefully you can kind of see and decide what color it might be kind of close to, what molarity it might be close to or in between. All right, go back and pause it if you need to. All right, so that's all for the lab part. Like I said, these bottom few, you're using this above to figure out these problems. Let me know if you have any questions. I know this one I kind of dragged you around, so hope you didn't get too dizzy watching it. And good luck finishing the rest of the exploration lab.